We also confront difficult realities. Recent incidents remind us the uniform does not make anyone immune, and it does not shield anyone from accountability. When a police officer or a family member is harmed, we respond decisively. When a police officer betrays public trust, there will be immediate and serious consequences. The actions of a few can damage the reputation of the many. Every breach of trust will be addressed with swiftly and fairly. Hindi tayo maaaring humingi ng disiplina sa publiko kung hindi natin ito may patutupad sa ating sarili. Hindi tayo maaaring magsalita ng integridad kung hindi natin ito isasabuhay. The PNP has given us purpose, authority, and the trust of the people. Each of us must honor this institution by protecting its name, serving with honor, rejecting greed, and above all, avoiding the abuse of power. This is why integrity is being strengthened across the organization. Discipline is not punishment. It protects the public, it protects the institution, and every officer who serves with integrity. Under the PNP Focus Agenda, our direction is clear: responsive service, real accountability, and leadership that delivers result. Ang kapangyarihan natin ay nagmumula sa taong bayan. Ang tungkulin natin ay maglingkod, hindi mangibabaw. Gawin natin ito ng may tapang, malasakit at dangal. I expect every commander to lead from the front, every supervisor to enforce standards, and every police officer to remember, authority is borrowed from the people. Abuse is never part of the loan. Together, we build a bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas. Serbisyong mabilis, tapat at mararamdaman.